Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. So today, this is my first unboxing of a product ever. Hopefully there'll be plenty more to come, but we shall see. I just want to remind everyone to stay safe, wear your mask, social distance, and take care of yourselves. Wash your hands, do everything you need to do to protect yourselves and your loved ones in these historic times. And with no further ado, here's an unboxing of the PlayStation 5, Sony's next generation console. I'm sure you all know the PlayStation 5 is an 8K device. I think one of the first 8K devices to hit the market. So that should be pretty exciting. I know a lot of people don't have 8K televisions. I'm sure a lot of people don't have 4K. Well, I'm not sure if a lot of people have 4K televisions, but nonetheless, here we go. What you all came to see is the PlayStation 5 unboxing. So bear with me. This is my first unboxing, so I know the camera angle is a little janky. But here we go. So there's a white box. Well, I'm sure you guys already saw this, but there's a white box in the original PlayStation box. So I'll it's kind of difficult to get off there. This is, no further ado, the PlayStation logo, iconic logo. Let's see. So here's the power cord. You can see that power cord. Manuals come in top right of the box. Here is the PS5 controller. See the front, the back, the side. I pre-ordered the digital edition, but it may not be here for a while. But I actually want the digital edition. I prefer the digital edition because I think it's time to move on from physical media, but that's just my opinion. I think this is the USB-C cable to charge the controller. Here's the stand. This is the stand. This is the stand. I think you can keep it vertical, or you can put the console in vertical or horizontal, but that's the stand. And this is what I'm told is the HDMI 2.0 cable. So to get that 4K resolution with the 120 gigahertz frame rate, this is the cable you need. I know a lot of people, there's been speculation that this isn't a 2.1 HDMI cable, but I think it is, but we'll see. So I actually don't have a 4K television. I actually just I stopped using media, and I never like even had a 4K television. So this will be interesting to get a 4K television and try this new system out. See, it comes in these cartons. I think Sony is trying to be environmentally friendly, which is, I think, a great idea. And this is the PlayStation 5, the disc edition. You can see there's the I guess that's the power button, that's the eject button, there's a USB-C and a USB-A or regular USB. It's the actual Blu-ray drive or a HD Ultra drive. It's a power cord, power adapter, HDMI port, the LAN wire, and 2 USB ports. So yeah, this is an unboxing of the PlayStation 5 disc edition. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope to upload more videos soon. Maybe I'll upload some gameplay as well. But thanks for checking out my video. Stay safe and have a good one.